Love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right.
Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full get ready with me. So I am going to be doing another one of these. You guys really enjoyed the last one, so thank you so much. And today's hair is by Beauty Forever Hair. I am showcasing their 13x4 brown lace 150% density straight wig. It was actually in the length 22 inches, but your girl cut it because, you know, we not about that long life. Somewhat, sometimes, but not all the time. I just thought this would be like a bomb look if it was just a little bit shorter, and this is exactly what I was looking for, so I'm super happy about that. Thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check the link in the description box below. It will have everything that you need. They're also having a big sale on Black Friday, which is up to 55% off. So girls, if you like some hair, okay, make sure you're checking that out so you can save you some coins on this unit or any other unit that you're interested in. So before we get into the video, your girl is not a professional, as you may know. Okay, so I did a glueless method again. As I was telling you guys, like, I'm not even lying to you, I do not like that glue, freeze spray, any of that. Like, I just don't want anything like sticking to my hairline. Again, this is not a makeup tutorial. It's just basically you guys watching me just get ready for the day. So if you are new here, hey girl, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like what you see, my personality or whatever, do not be shy. Click that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, and it will notify you each and every time I upload a video. Make sure to follow me at iDesign8 on Instagram so you can catch some of my fashion posts and life updates over there. And again, make sure you check out the description box because it will have everything, sis. I mean everything, products, hair links, and all that down below. Okay, so yes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, so I am about to, y'all, first of all, look how much my hair is grown. Like, it's a little bit, you know, all over the place right now, but my hair has grown a lot. But anyway, so we're going to be putting on this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. So this is the wig right here, you guys. I have not done any customization to this wig whatsoever. This is the 13x4 brown lace 150% density straight wig. It's in the length 22 inches. And this is just how this looks right here. Again, I did not bleach the lace. I'm just going to put powder on it because your girl is just don't want to do that. But I did add an elastic band here. I just added that like a few moments ago. I added the elastic band for a snug fit, but I also do not want to put glue on this wig. I'm just not about that life. I actually thought this would come a little bit more customized, you know, but it did not. It does have a nice hairline. I can't explain, but yeah, so it does have like a nice hairline, I would say. However, it's just not a, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's not a hairline that fits me. My hairline is really funky, I would say. Or I'm not gonna say funky, I would just say that this hairline, which this is the reason why I don't really like wearing lace wigs, is because I never can find a lace wig that really truly fits me, one, but two, I just probably don't know what I'm doing, so that's that. It is very dense, like no plucking or anything was done at all, and your girl is upset about that because I don't pluck wigs. So we gonna have to do what it do and see what we can do with this wig. We gonna make it work, okay? Like, it does come with 3 combs, so one right here, here, and then also one down here, and it does have these adjustable straps right here that you can like pull, if you can see. Also, girls, we have a little friend in the room. She disrespectful but we're gonna work with it. So we have this little bump right here, sis, so you know, just don't mind me. Here's the powder.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
Alright, you guys, so this is how the hair looks after kind of putting my part in and then cutting the lace. Again, like I said, I did wash this hair, so this is like the natural state of the hair, just to show you. So I'm just going to cut it. I don't know where I want to cut it though, like how far I want to cut it. I am not a professional cutter or anything like that.
We just building, it's my season, lay foundation.
So I'm probably gonna go to like right here because I don't want it too short.
Take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
You guys, so I am back in business. I just had to throw on like a little tank top because it is hot in here. I just did the best that I could when it came to like cutting. I'll probably go in and like cut a little bit more, but I'm just going to go in and just like curl it with this flat iron.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rode up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you.
So I'm just going to go in with this Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take this color. Oof. And I'm just going to take this color right here on the end. It's called Mulberry. But I'm going to use that color as my transition color.
The signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt.
And then I'm going in with the Morphe palette. This is the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, and I am just taking, I don't know what this color is, let's see. I'm taking the color in Command, and I'm literally just placing that all over my lid. We just giving a very matte look, something very different. Okay, I never wear color.
Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
I'm using the Rose Pink from the Soft Glam palette. And we're just going to kind of like highlight the inner corner right here. I'm going in with the Morphe Nature palette, I believe. And I'm just highlighting underneath my brow. Alright, so now we're taking the concealer. I use the same concealer for everything.
Are you coming over? I need to know. Is you falling through? Tell me what the move is. Girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know. Tell me what's the hold up. Wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real. Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the here, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a danger about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say it's something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready, I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real.
Alright, Design Squad, so that completes this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, we did a different little look on the eyes, so you know, we can create something else. Okay, I am not a makeup artist or whatever, but I am very impressed with the way this look came out. Like, wow, sis, you did that. But anyway, yes, so thank you so much for watching. Again, check the description box for everything down below. Don't forget to check out Beauty Forever Hair, and I will see you in my next video.